also keep your chest up. You just go down as far as you can and back up. Also try to keep your knees separated. Go down.
Over the shoulders, okay, from the top, and run this way, all right?
Shoot, Dave, shoot, Dave, shoot, Dave, Dave, Dave.
Happy Open Friday, it's Miss Patrick from Frederick, Douglas, coming to you live.
Go. You're live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Great day to be a Bronco. It is April 28th, and today is NTI Day. All right. Hey, I know what you're thinking. Diaz, how did you grow a beard in one day? No. I didn't grow a beard in one day. The truth is, we filmed yesterday's morning announcements on Friday. So that's why I had a few days to just, get a little shade, get a little shadow going. I'm trying to get this to match with this so it doesn't look so bad. I haven't had a haircut in almost 2 months. Guys, the Kentucky Higher Education Assistance Authority, those are the folks that help with financial aid and scholarship money and you going to college, are opening chat rooms on Instagram and on Facebook. Now, I do not promote the use of Facebook or the use of Instagram, even though they could be powerful tools for good. I am not here to endorse a specific social media platform. That's not what I'm intending to do. What I'm intending to do is to let you know that on April 29th, that's tomorrow, and on May 6th, the day after Cinco de Mayo, you can get on Facebook or Instagram at 3 p.m. and ask questions. Is it too late to apply for this? How do you apply for that? Where do I go for this? How does this work? You can ask a human being live questions about your education assistance, your financial aid, your ability to apply for scholarships. So I encourage you to do that. Also, if you are sitting around at home and you need a little extra scratch, if you want to make some money, there are people that are hiring, even though unemployment rates are skyrocketing, even though the economy is kind of at a standstill. The census.gov not only needs you to fill out your census, they also need you to help them fill other people's census. And some of these things can be done with social distancing from your home, using a computer like your Chromebook, and making phone calls from your personal telecommunications device or your home phone, either way. But that's just an opportunity that I wanted to share with you. Now, at this time, I'm going to try something new. I am learning and growing in my technology usage here. That's one thing that has positively impacted me when I have to be a principal from my living room. So I'm going to try to share my screen, and I'm going to share with you our Saturday school process. So I'm going to share screen here, hit that button, and let's see. Okay, click. And there it is. So on Frederick Douglass's website, we're on Frederick Douglass's website. If you hit the NTI link, you will see that we have NTI ESS tutoring take place, and we have NTI Saturday school tutoring take place. We want every one of you guys to be as successful as possible in every single class, in every single task. So what you're going to do is you are going to use this link here to register yourself. You are going to use this link here to video chat with some of the teachers scheduled to help you. If you need help in science, Mr. Reed's available. Help in math, Miss Snow's available. You've got all kinds of folks ready to help you in any of the subjects that you need help. Additionally, I also want to stress ESS tutoring. That can take place in the afternoons. You have these links and Zooms available for you on specific days to get help with specific contents. You have the times and you have the links ready for you. If you have an assignment that you need to do, please, please, please use these resources and get the help you need so that you can be as successful as possible. I said it several times before. The instructional core is the relationship between the teacher or the or, or the person providing the instruction, the student or the learner of the instruction, and the actual content, the actual instruction to take place. Those things work together to provide an instructional core. And what that means is that our instructional core, I bring that up, it's different, right? We are doing things a little bit differently now because of the governor and the directives that we have and the rules that we have to live by. We are using the technology that we have available to us to do the best that we can in during this time. So please, please, please use the resources that you have. Be as efficient, be as ethical, do as good a job as possible. I also want to remind you, seniors, there's a Kincaid scholarship that a lot of you guys are applying for. It is due on the 30th. It is due in 2 days. So if you haven't completed your application, please make sure that you do that. My last message is a positive message. I want to just highlight a few things that have happened in your life and my life that have kind of um, had a good ramification. I see things differently. I hope you do too. The sense of community, the sense of pride, the sense of belonging, the sense of I want to make sure that my neighbor is doing okay. I want you to make sure that your neighbor is doing okay. I want you to make sure that your school friends are doing okay. I am spending so much time with my family that I've really had the opportunity to bond more closely with those people that I love and that are closest to me. And I hope you've had the chance to do that as well. It's all this notion of reset. We are resetting so many things and so many norms now with what we've had to endure for social distancing that there are silver linings. There are good things that are going on. There's just a beautiful side effect per se to what we are experiencing. And part of that is family, love, caring. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.